This is a 1985 Mitsubishi Starion ECU. I've taken it apart. See all the bits and pieces here. It goes back together like this. And then in there. However, there was a bunch of dirt inside here and here, where this is like this in the car. It would have been down there where my finger is. So I'm guessing water filled up to a certain level in here. I can see a little bit of corrosion on these. I went and scraped around to remove any possible shorts. I checked for open connections down here. No open connections. It's all good, no damage, but it was pretty crusty and it kind of did some corrosion type stuff, so I think maybe there was electricity on at some point while this was underwater, which is generally bad for it. I cleaned it up. I'm going to put it back together and hope for the best. Alrighty, so put these standoffs in, and then you can flip this guy over, put the screws in there. Well, actually, yeah, put the screws in there, put these screws in there, then you can put the cover on and put the screws in there. There, let me show you. All right, got those 5 in. Alrighty, all back together. Did I fix it? I have no idea. Is it cleaner? Yeah, a little bit. I didn't find any obvious problems. I also didn't, thoroughly check it and get schematics out and all that other stuff because I don't have any of that. So I took a look and I didn't find any problems. So hopefully whatever's keeping the injectors from firing is not this. Well, getting a little closer, but still not running.